Hello everyone, welcome to TechSchool. If you want to learn Microsoft Excel from zero and you are a complete beginner in 2026, this playlist is for you. In this first video, we will learn what is Microsoft Excel and how the Excel interface works. So, what is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software. We use Excel to store data, work with numbers, do calculations, and create reports. In simple words, Excel helps us organize information in an easy way. Now, where Excel is used. Excel is used everywhere. For example, in offices, in schools and colleges, in accounting and finance, in business work, for salary sheets and records. If you know Excel, your job opportunities become better. When we open Excel, we see a file called a workbook. A workbook contains one or more worksheets. You can change worksheets by clicking the tabs at the bottom. Now let's understand the Excel interface. At the top, we see the title bar. It shows the file name. Below that, we see the ribbon. The ribbon contains tools and options. In the ribbon, there are different tabs like Home, Insert, and Page Layout. In Excel, horizontal lines are called rows. Vertical lines are called columns. When a row and a column meet, it creates a cell. Each cell has an address like A1, B2, or C3. We enter data inside cells. Now let's talk why. Excel is important. In this Excel playlist, you will learn basic data entry, formulas and functions, formatting, charts, and real-life Excel examples. Everything will be explained step by step in simple English. If you want to learn Excel properly, please subscribe to the channel. Like this video and comment below why you want to learn Excel. In the next video, we will learn basic data entry in Excel. Thank you for watching.